Greetings, people. My name is Brein Yaad once again from People's Camp. Jamaican greeting by Brein Yaad. Wagwan. Wagwan. What's going on? A combination of four words. Wa for what? Is. Gwan, going, and an for on. Usage of wagwan. Number 1. Wagwan is largely used for greeting or salutation. What's going on? What's up? Hi. Hello. And the replies, not nagwan. Nothing is going on. Me there. I'm here. Everything Chris. Everything is okay. All is well. Usage number 2. Just a question. Wagwan. What's going on? Me no know wagwan. I don't know what's going on. Other meanings. Number 1. The word wa can also mean want. For instance, awa you are. What do you want? Ayu miwa. It's you I want. Minowa. I don't want. Do where you are. Do what you want. Number 2. Gwan or go can also mean to behave in a specific way. No gwan so. No go so. Don't behave like that or act like that. I saw them gwan. That's how they behave. Picnic them afi gwan good. Children have to behave well. Number 3. The word an can also mean on. For example, gwan. Go on. Go on and do your thing. Go on and do your thing. Wolan. Hold on. Wolande. Mia come. Hold on there. I'm coming. Potan. Put on. Put on your blue dark as them. Put on your blue sunglasses. However, the Jamaican preposition pan is widely used to mean on. For example, sit down pan it. Sit down on it. Me de pan a mission. I am on a mission. Check pan the table. Check on the table. Who that pa me selly? Who is that on my cell phone? Sit down pan body. Sit down on cock. Number 4. An can also be used to mean and. For instance, wine and godo. Dance and go down. East Africa. Cheza mpaka chini. Man and woman. Man and woman. Sam Coe and the Dopey. Tom, Dick and Harry. Habradabra and the crew. Respect and manners. Respect and manners. Discipline. Number 5. An can also be used to mean hand. For example, put up un hand, meaning put up your hands. Make me see un hand go up. Let me see your hands go up. Put your hand where your mouth is. Put your hand where your mouth is. Other greeting styles. Respect, which stands for respect. And the reply is, respect my youth. What happen? Meaning, what's happening? Reply, nothing happen. Nothing happen, brother. Me there. What you say? Which means, what are you saying? Me not say nothing. I'm not saying anything, you know. Respect and manners. Respect and manners. And the reply is, respect lad, me lad. Where I deal with? What are you dealing with? And the reply is, me not deal with nothing. Bless up. Bless up. And the reply is, bless up us. Everything sell off. Large up. Large up. And the reply is, large up on yourself. Chris, meaning, are you okay? And the reply is, everything Chris, you know. Big up. Big up. And the reply is, big up on yourself, shatter. Are. Are meaning, are you okay? And the reply is, are it's ready. How you do? How are you doing? And the reply is, me alright man. Everything turn up. One love, which stands for one love. And the reply is, Jano star. One love same way. Honor, which stands for honor. And the reply is, Anna Brein. Sila. Roots. And the reply is, roots heights massive. Blessed heights. Blessed heights. And the reply is, Dano. Zin. Everything, Chris. Is everything okay? And the reply is, Are. Everything cook and curry now. Are heights. Are heights. And the reply is, big up. Respect large. Respect large. Simply reply, mad. Lastly, where say boy? What are you saying, boy? Not a thing, sir. Where say Dan? Not a thing, sir. What are you saying, done? So massive. Our Gwanda now. Our fans want to know about Bombo Clat. Next time, Brein Yaad, Japipo's camp. Likomo. Sila.